News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Division of Plant Physiology, National Sugar Institute Kanpur, Directorate General of Mine Safety, CSIR Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, Palampur, HP, and Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force. National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, an autonomous organization of the Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, Rajendra Nagar, Hyderabad invites applications in prescribed format for filling up the following Group A, B and C positions on direct recruitment or deputation basis. 1 post of Director, Agriculture Marketing, 1 post of Research Associate, Agricultural Extension, 1 post of Research Associate, Knowledge Management, 1 post of Junior Stenographer, and 1 post of Assistant Cashier. For complete details, please visit the website www.manage.gov.in. Last date for receipt of application is 30 days from the date of publication of this notice in Employment News. Those who are in government service should forward their application through proper channel. However, an advance copy of the application may be submitted on or before the last date. Applications routed through proper channels should reach at Manage, Hyderabad within 10 days after the last date. Indira Gandhi National Centre for the Arts and Autonomous Trust under the Ministry of Culture, Government of India intends to engage 9 positions of regional directors for its regional centres at Varanasi, Guwahati, Bengaluru, Panaji, Goa, Vadodara, Puducherry, Ranchi, Thrissur and Jammu or Kashmir on short-term contract or deputation basis. Application form and full details are available at IGNCA's website www.ignca.gov.in. Applications are invited in the prescribed pro forma from suitable candidates for filling up 9 vacancies of engagement on purely contract basis for a period of 3 years subject to annual performance review in INM Division, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, DA and FW, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. 3 posts of Technical Assistants, PKVY Scheme 2 and Soil Health Card 1, 3 posts of Accountants, 1 post of Junior Technical Officer Production, 1 post of Junior Marketing Officer and 1 post of Office Manager. Shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. The applications in prescribed pro forma should reach DA and FW by 5 p.m. on 26th August 2021. Details regarding the vacancies, terms and conditions, prescribed pro forma for submitting applications, etc. are available on the website of Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare. Link for the website is agricoop.nic.in. Interested candidates are invited for an online interview under the ongoing project funded by Department of Biotechnology, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, and Indian Council of Agricultural Research, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, to fill up unreserved temporary post of SRF 3 and Young Professional 1. The interview will be held online on Zoom. Date of interview will be communicated to the shortlisted candidates. For more details, please visit the website www.iari.res.in. Applications are invited from eligible candidates amongst working under the central government for appointment of 1 post of Upper Division Clerk at National Sugar Institute Kanpur on deputation. Details of the post, eligibility condition, etc. may be accessed from the Institute's website www.nsi.gov.in. Application of only such candidates who can be spared immediately in the event of selection will be considered, which which are routed through proper channel. Application of eligible candidates may be sent directly to the Administrative Officer, National Sugar Institute, Kalyanpur, Kanpur, within a period of 60 days from the date of issue or publication of this advertisement. It is proposed to fill up 33 posts of stenographer grade 1 in the Directorate General of Mine Safety by deputation from amongst officers under the central government. It is requested that the vacancies may be circulated to all the concerned officers and application in triplicate in the given proforma, along with the complete and up-to-date confidential reports of the officers who can be spared in the event of their selection may be sent to the Director of Mine Safety, DGMS Hirapur, Dhanbad, within 2 months from the date of publication of advertisement. Application received after the last date or without the confidential reports or otherwise incomplete will not be considered. Cadre Controlling Authority may also kindly ensure that while forwarding the application, they should verify and certify that the particulars furnished by the officers are correct and that no disciplinary case is pending or contemplated against the officer. Online applications are invited from eligible citizens of India as per CSIR Scientist Recruitment and Assessment Promotion Rules 2001 and CSIR Service Rules 1994 as amended from time to time on the prescribed proforma, which are available on the website of this institute, that is www.ihbt.res.in, for the post in Scientific and Technical Post in CSIR Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology, Palampur, HP. Last date of receipt of applications is 13 September 2021. Scientific posts are in the following areas of specialization: tea chemistry, traditional knowledge, phytochemistry, fungus or mushroom, food technology, plant tissue culture, plantation and farm management, material chemistry, scientific communication and mass communication. 2 posts of senior medical officer, general physician, and technical post in the areas of field or plantation crops, biotechnology, computer science or IT, software designing, business development, plant science and food science or food technology or food processing. For details in regard of qualifications, age relaxations, mode of selection, how to apply, updates if any, etc., please view the detailed advertisement as available on the websites of this institute, that is www.ihbt.res.in, and the National Career Service Portal, that is www.ncs.gov.in as well. Applications are invited from Indian citizens for filling up 1 post of Senior Administrative Officer in Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force, Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, New Delhi, on deputation basis. The application form, along with details of the post, qualification, eligibility criteria, etc. required for the post, can be downloaded from the official website of ITBP, that is www.itbp.nic.in. The last date for receipt of application is within 2 months from the date of publication of advertisement in Employment News. Accordingly, the hard copy of the application, duly filled in all respects, should reach well before the due date of receipt of applications. Incomplete applications, advance copy of the application, and applications received after due date will not be entertained and will be summarily rejected. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.